Now we are going to discuss the area of a parallelogram. Let ABCD is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, we knew it AB side is parallel to CD side. These two opposite sides are equal in nature and parallel to each other. That means AB is parallel to CD and AB equal to CD. Likewise, AD side is parallel to BC side and AD equal to BC. The length of AD equal to the length of BC. Then, if you draw AC diagonal, we draw AC diagonal. If we draw AC diagonal, this parallelogram is divided into two triangles, ADC triangle and ABC triangle. The area of ADC triangle is equal to the area of ABC triangle because these both triangles are equal in nature. The area of ADC triangle equal to area of ABC triangle. Both triangles are equal in nature. If you take this is the base of a parallelogram, we draw a perpendicular or a height from point A to base D. Take CD is the base of a parallelogram. AE is the height of a parallelogram. Then AE is perpendicular to CD. We knew the area of ADC triangle is the area of ADC triangle is half 1/2 into base into height. Here base is CD sides and height is AE. Then 1/2 into CD into AE. Area of ADC triangle is 1/2 CD into AE. The area of parallelogram is 2 times of area of ADC triangle. The area of ABCD parallelogram is equal to 2 times of area of ADC triangle is the triangle. This implies the area of ABCD parallelogram is equal to 2 times area of ADC triangle. The area of ADC triangle is equal to 1/2. The area of ADC triangle is equal to 1/2 into CD into AE. Then 2 into 1/2 into CD into AE. Here 2 and 2 we cancel out. Then we get the area of a parallelogram ABCD is equal to CD into AE. if one side is given of a parallelogram and its height is given in the question, then the area of that parallelogram is equal to side and side into height. Side into height. So area of a parallelogram is base into height. Base into height. Then now we have to solve some problem regarding parallelogram when the question is given the base of the parallelogram and the height of the parallelogram. In a question, if asked the base of a parallelogram is 25 centimeters, base of the parallelogram, base of a parallelogram base of parallelogram is 25 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Then find out the area of a parallelogram. And find out area of a parallelogram. We know the area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height. Then the area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height. Here a base is given 25 centimeters and a height is given 12 centimeters. Then putting the value of a base equal to 25 centimeters into height is 22 centimeters. Then we get 300 square centimeters. 300 square centimeters. If in a parallelogram base is 25 centimeters, here CD is 25 centimeters and height A is 12 centimeters is given in the question, we find the area of a parallelogram is base into height 25 centimeters and 12 centimeters equal to 300 square centimeters is the area of a parallelogram. If in a question the area is given and a base is given and asks find out the height of the parallelogram. Area is given in question, area may be 400 centimeters square. Area is given 400 square centimeters. Base or one side is given, base is 25 centimeters. The question is asked to find out height of the parallelogram. Let height of a parallelogram equal to x centimeter. Then area of a parallelogram is base into height. Base into height. Putting the value of a base 25 centimeters and the height is x centimeters, then 25x centimeter square. This is 25x centimeter square is equal to 400 centimeter square, because the area is given in the question 400 centimeters square. Then you equalize it. This implies 25px equal to 400. This implies x equal to 400 by 25. 25 equal to 15. 400 25 to 125. Here is 5 150 is 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. Then here this question is that area is given 400 centimeters, base is given 25 centimeters, and a question is asked find out the height of the parallelogram. Then we get the result. The x is the height of the parallelogram, height is 16 centimeters. Here area is given, height is given, then asks we find out the base of the parallelogram. If area is given 750 centimeter square, 750 centimeter square, and the height is given 25 centimeters. Then question is asked find out base of the parallelogram. Base of the parallelogram. Here CD is the base and A is the height. Height A is given in ABCD parallelogram. In ABCD parallelogram, CD is the base, and A is the height. Then area of parallelogram is base into height. Let base is x centimeter. Then put in the value of base and height in the formula, we get base is equal to x, height is equal to 25 centimeter, is equal to area is 750 centimeter square. 750 centimeter square. Here 25x square centimeter equal to 750 centimeter square. Here 25 is multiplied in the LHS. In RHS it is 750 is divided by 25. We get the value of x. Then height, base or x equal to, this implies x equal to 750 divided by 25. Here is the answer is 30 centimeter. Therefore base of the parallelogram is is 30 centimeter. In this question, area is given 750 centimeter square, height is given 25 centimeter square. The question is asked find out the base of the parallelogram. Here base is area divided by height. 750 divided by 25 equal to 30 centimeter is the base of a parallelogram. If in question side and the ratio of side and height is given, area is also given, then question is asked find out the base and height of a parallelogram. Here question is asked base ratio of base into height equal to 4:3, and area of parallelogram equal to 1080 square centimeter. Then question is asked find out the base and height of the parallelogram. Let base base of a parallelogram base of the parallelogram may be 4x centimeter, as well as height of a parallelogram is 3x centimeter. Then area of a parallelogram equal to base into height. Area of a parallelogram is given 180 square centimeter is equal to 108 square centimeters. Putting the value of base and height, we get base is 4x into 3x equal to 108 square centimeter. 12x square equal to 108. X square equal to 108 divided by 12. 12 is multiplied by LHS and divided by RH. Then we get 9. X square equal to 9. X equal to 3. If x equal to 3, base of a parallelogram is 4x centimeter. Therefore, base is equal to 4 into 3 equal to 12 centimeter. Base is 12 centimeter. Height is 3x centimeter. 3 into 3 equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, base is we get a base is 12 centimeter and the height is equal to 9 centimeter. If question is given, the ratio of base and height is equal to 4:3 and the area of a parallelogram is 108 centimeters, then find out the base and height. Here is the base is 12 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. If any question asked like height is 3/4 of a base in a parallelogram, height is 3/4 of a base and area of a parallelogram is 300 square meter. Then find out height and a base of a parallelogram. Here question is asked height is 3/4 of a base. Let base of a parallelogram equal to x meter. Then height is 3/4 of a base. That means x into 3/4 equal to 3x by 4 meter is the height of a parallelogram. Here is base is x meter and height is 3x by 4 meter. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area is given. Area is equal to 300 meter square. Base is equal to x. Height is equal to 3x by 4. 3x square by 4 square meters is equal to 300. This implies 3x square by 4 equal to 300. X square equal to 300 into 4 divided by 3. Here is 400. X square equal to 400. X equal to square root of 400. Square root of 400 is 20. This implies x equal to 20. If x equal to 20, the base is 20. Then here base is 20 meter. Then height is 3/4 of the base. The height of the parallelogram is height of a parallelogram equal to 3/4 into 20. Here is 15 meter. Therefore, base of the parallelogram is 20 meter and the height of a parallelogram is 15 meter. Then area of the parallelogram is 300 meter square. The area is given 300 meter square. Height is 3/4 of the base. Then we find the base is equal to 20 meter and the height is 15 meter. This is about the area of a parallelogram when base and height is given in the question. Then next we discuss more about the area of parallelogram in next video.